Hey, 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 it's What's Cooking, and there's a lot going on in this kitchen.
What is cooking, good looking birthday girl?
Okay, so we are having a lot of things. So in this dish, prepped and ready, olive oil, garlic, and heirloom tomatoes, and salt, pepper, crushed red pepper, and then it's going to be fresh basil from the garden is going to go on that. This will be roasted in the oven. Ciabatta bread, already sliced, olive oil, paprika, ready to roll. Parboiled, oven roasted potatoes. So these have been parboiled, and then I ladled them with butter, olive oil, garlic, paprika, salt, pepper, and these are going to be roasted with no foil. Okay, foil off, but they're just hanging out for a minute. Then look what's in season. My oldest sister Sherry, she loves figs. I love figs. They're like one of my favorite things. So I'm going to roast some of these figs, and over here I have made a balsamic fig glazed salad dressing. So it's going to be Belgian endive, butter leaf lettuce, the fig based, you have to shut that off. I can hear Philip is listening to me on Facebook, but I can hear myself delayed. Anyway, so fig glazed dressing, right, Philip Frederickson?
Correct.
And in this little number, we've got mushrooms ready to roll with some garlic, crushed red pepper, salt, pepper, and butter. So we're gonna have roasted mushrooms.
Is it put over the steak or as a side?
Either one.
Okay.
Either one.
Okay.
This is an awesome little item. So our client and friend, Katya, told us about this. So basically it's goat cheese, and then take lemon curd that you can get at Trader Joe's, the jar of lemon curd, brush, like just dollop a bunch over it. And then take pistachios chopped up, or you can buy them already chopped up at Trader Joe's. And this is like just a little cheese appetizer that we're also gonna have. Now, oh, it's so good. You get like that lemony, crunchy, like you don't even like goat cheese and you like this.
All you need is little keto crackers and you're good to go.
Exactly, it's super good. Okay, what else do we have? Oh yes.
Meat and cheese platter, little charcuterie.
So I have fillets. I always like to have my meat rest at room temperature, at least get it close to room temperature. So look at that. A big old thing of thick fillets. They've got salt, pepper, and then I cook them. If anybody knows how I cook my steak, I always cook it in my trusty dusty, extraordinarily expensive $7 IKEA pan that I can never find. So if anyone has one of these laying around and wants to unload it, I'll buy your $7 pan for 10 bucks. How's that for a deal? Anyway, always cook my steak in the house on the stove. So we have that happening, right? Got a lot going on.
Yeah. Part of what's going on, I found about $200 worth of gift cards to Fleming's.
You did?
I did.
Is Fleming's even open?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
That's
Well,
where Stevie W went with Steve Games.
Oh.
I think.
Oh.
Somebody recently they went with.
Huh, cool. Okay. So that's what's cooking over here. Had a very, very, very productive real estate day today.
Excellent.
Took a gorgeous listing at 4485 Birding in the heart of El Cerrito, which was voted one of the top, it was actually the #1 voted city town in the United States.
For potential appreciation and
Yep.
value.
Yep.
Yeah.
And we have fantastic clients that are our friends that have a spectacular Spanish colonial.
Never have I heard so many accolades given to a home by everybody. Not one negative comment. It was just, everybody just was blown away.
And you know,
honestly.
You know what was interesting? Our clients are like, we can take criticism. I said, well, we can fabricate some, but there is no criticism. So Philip Fredrickson got there at 9:30 this morning, and due to COVID, we had to have every 30 minutes was a showing. And Philip sat
With all
outside,
their peds
and everybody had their protective gear on. But
gave them all the nickel tour, then went outside and waited for them, and then I went in between and wiped everything down with steri wipes, bleach wipes.
Yep, good.
And
Because we're house cleaners.
yep, that's what we do.
We clean houses and we cook, and but it's
We always did it for home. Now we do it for other people
but
too.
it's to keep our clients safe and keep our clients healthy and keep our real estate industry on point, which is very important for us to do.
Got to make everybody feel safe, the sellers and the buyers.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, anywho, thought I'd just jump on and walk you through this craziness going on in the kitchen, and hope everybody is staying healthy and safe and wearing your mask. Hi, Linda. How are you? Linda Green.
Gosh, what are we doing tomorrow?
Hi, Eric. Hi, David. Oh, is it Davina? Oh my God, I think Davina's on. Hi, Davina. Oh my gosh, I miss you. I'm almost positive I see that you're on.
I'm not seeing any of them today for some reason.
Huh.
Usually I see everybody and they talk and...
Well, it's kind of a weird time. It's 3 o'clock.
Yeah,
so.
but there's been a bunch of people on.
Huh.
Yeah, but I'm not seeing... They show a number, but I'm not seeing anything written.
Oh, like comments or anything.
Yeah.
Got it.
Like
Got
they
it.
do.
Huh. So, it's beautiful outside. The Chicky Chews got a bunch of crushed eggshells today. So they
By the way, it's MaryBeth Kelly's birthday tomorrow is the actual day.
Tomorrow!
Although we've been celebrating it every day this month so far.
I'm going to be 39. I can't wait. I can't believe that I have nieces older than me.
I know.
It's kind of shocking, you know?
Well, it's not shocking, but it's
I
interesting.
know. I'm telling you. Oh, I got to get my thing. Hang on one second. Okay. So many of you know that our other family are the Espinosas, Roberto, Noel, Diego, Isa, and Catalina. And they returned safely after 7 months in Europe, being in Spain, Sevilla, and they brought me this, and Roberto showed me that they fan like this, like secretly, like this in Spain, and then they hide it. And then they fan secretly, and then they hide it.
Well, they're not really hiding it, they're fanning their derriere.
Yeah, exactly. So, but they had this amazing mask made for me. Now, it already has a filter, and I guess Noel said that they went to 3 different fabric shops in Spain trying to find the perfect color, which is amazing. And it's the shape and the fit. It's a really, really awesome mask. I love it. And with the pocket inside for the filter. So, see? Isn't that cool? I love it. And they also...
then you got a shawl type of thing too.
Oh, I did. I got a flamenco, crazy flamenco thing, and I was practicing my flamenco dancing. So that was pretty awesome.
We were socially distanced the entire time.
I was physically distancing and staying socially connected, but Philip might have been socially distancing.
I socially distanced from everybody.
Ha ha ha. And my beautiful hummingbirds that we got to hang that Judy and Jean brought that are going to light up. And my Tirza with the hummingbird today. So I am very
cool.
grateful, and I am super blessed, for sure. All right, I feel like I'm talking really, really fast too. Doesn't it seem like I'm talking really fast?
Well, yeah, I mean, you just did a half-hour show in 5 minutes.
There you go.
It's 3:05 now. You started at 3.
I love it. I love it. I did 30 whole minutes. That's awesome. Hey, Patty Adams, how are you? All right, everybody. Have a great day. It's a beautiful afternoon. And as I said, stay physically distancing while staying socially connected. And
T-minus less than 1 day and counting. 9 hours, just under 9 hours.
You're funny. You're funny, funny, funny. Oh, and tomorrow we get to give keys to Vivica and Pear.
Yeah.
How exciting! We get to meet clients and...
Probably the next day. Oh, no, we don't give keys.
Well, we close,
Yeah,
we
close
close,
it the
and
next day.
we close 2 things tomorrow, a sale and a purchase.
Mm-hmm.
But our clients have moved here from Westport, Connecticut, and Vivica is actually a realtor. So it was super cool to help another realtor in San Diego. She definitely thinks we use way too much paper, which we do, and we ask a lot of redundant questions, which we do, the state of California, you gotta love it. But
California Association of Realtors.
exactly. And so hopefully we'll have good news for our clients that are in El Cerrito shortly. All right, take care. Thank you guys. We appreciate it. See you soon.